Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Ipvanish VPN on your PC or laptop. So first you have to open up your any browser and in the Google search box just type the VPN Ipvanish VPN, just hit the enter and now you will see the first website which is the Ipvanish. Just click on the website. Now here you will see the option of download app. So you just need to click on the download app for Windows. So if it look like the error, so here just click on the download unverified files, then it will start downloading into your PC. So once it was completely downloaded, you have to just quickly install it. Click on the download, just open up the setup, and now here you have to just simply click on the change option if you want to select the folder where you want to install it. So after selecting the folder, click on the install, then it will start installing into your PC. Guys, this is how you can download and install the Ipvanish VPN onto your PC. And if you found this video helpful, so please make sure you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.